Are your wiper arms looking shabby? You can fix that. This is how to paint your wiper arms and other car parts in 4 simple steps. Here's what you'll need. First up, a can of ethyl alcohol. Then some wash primer, Montana 94 spray paint and acrylic varnish. You'll also need a socket set, sandpaper, some rags or microfiber towels, and a drill with a wire brush will come in handy too. Now, removing the wiper arms is usually as simple as removing a single nut from each. So let's call preparation step 1. This is worth spending most of your time on. It'll pay off in the end. Remove any loose paint using a wire wheel fitted to a drill or a piece of sandpaper fitted to your hand. Then take a rag soaked in ethyl alcohol and thoroughly clean both wiper arms to remove any wax or grease. This will ensure good adhesion of your paint. Allow that to thoroughly dry, then you can move on to step 2, priming. Give your can of primer a good long shake to ensure it's evenly mixed. Then gently apply light coats until each wiper arm is fully covered. After allowing this to dry for 20 minutes, you're ready for step 3, painting, the most satisfying bit. Grab your paint, shake it some more, then apply a light coat across each wiper arm. Carry on applying a fresh coat every 10 minutes or so, but don't be tempted to lay it on too thick or you may end up with the runs. Once you have a nice uniform black coating, you can finish the job off with step 4, the varnish. By now your arm is probably getting sore, but that can of acrylic varnish isn't going to shake itself. Don't worry, this is the last one. Once it's shaken, apply the varnish using the same method you used for the black paint, then pop your fresh wiper arms aside to dry for 24 hours. When that's done, simply pop them back on. It should be just as easy as they came off. Although it's probably worth changing your wiper blades or rubbers while you're at it. See our DIY video dedicated to that. Now, what else could use a spruce up? Find detailed instructions and more ways to help you make it super at Supercheap Auto's Super DIYs.